Here are some examples of basic daily conversations for everyday situations. Situation 1, meeting someone. Anna: Hi, how are you? Lisa: I'm good, thank you. How about you? Anna: I'm doing well. What are you up to today? Lisa: Not much, just running some errands. And you? Anna: I'm heading to the grocery store. I need to buy a few things for dinner. Lisa: That sounds nice. What are you cooking? Anna: I'm thinking of making pasta. Lisa: Yum, that sounds delicious. Anna: Thanks. Well, I should get going. Let's talk later. Lisa: Sure. Have a great day. Anna: You too. Bye. Situation 2, meeting a friend. Sarah: Hi, how are you today? Meeta: Hey, I'm good. Thanks. How about you? Sarah: I'm doing well. What's new with you? Meeta: Not much, just busy with work. I have been working on a big project lately. Sarah: Oh, that sounds exciting. What's the project about? Meeta: It's about improving our company's website design. It's been challenging but fun. Anna: That's great. Let me know if you need any help. Lisa: Thanks. So, what have you been up to? Anna: I have been trying to exercise more. I started going for morning runs. Lisa: Nice. How's it going? Anna: Pretty good. It's hard to wake up early, but I feel great afterward. Lisa: That's awesome. Maybe I should join you sometime. Anna: Definitely. Let me know when you're free. Lisa: Will do. Anyway, I have got to get going. Let's catch up again soon. Anna: Sure thing. Take care. Lisa: You too. Bye. Situation 3, at a coffee shop. Barista: Good morning. Welcome to Cafe Bliss. What can I get for you today? Jenny: Good morning. I'd like a medium latte, please. Barista: Sure. Would you like any extra flavors like vanilla or caramel? Jenny: Yes, vanilla sounds great. Barista: All right. Would you like to anything to eat with that? Jenny: Hmm. I'll take a blueberry muffin, please. Barista: Perfect. Your total is $6.5. Jenny: Here you go. Barista: Thank you. Your order will be ready in few minutes. Jenny: Great, thanks. Situation 4, at home. Mom: Good morning. Did you sleep well? Kia: Good morning. Yes, I did. What's for breakfast? Mom: I made some pancakes. Would you like some? Kia: Yes, please. They smell so good. Can I have some syrup too? Mom: Of course. What are your plans for today? Kia: I have school in the morning and soccer practice in the afternoon. Mom: That sounds busy. Don't forget to pack your lunch. Kia: I will not. Thanks, Mom. Situation 5, at the grocery store. Customer: Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Store staff: It's in aisle 3, near the back of the store. Customer: Thank you. Also, do you have any fresh bread? Store staff: Yes, it's in the bakery section, just over there. Customer: Great, thank you so much. Situation 6, two friends catching up of coffee. Sarah: Hey Lily, it's so good to see you. How have you been? Lily: Hey Sarah, I have been doing well, just busy with work as usual. How about you? Sarah, same here. Work has been hectic, but I'm managing. By the way, how's your new job going? Lily, it's great. I have been there for about 3 months now, and I'm finally settling in. The team is amazing, and the projects are challenging but interesting. Sarah, that's awesome to hear. What kind of projects are you working on? Lily, right now I'm working on a marketing campaign for a new product launch. It's a lot of planning and creativity, but it's exciting. Sarah, sounds fun. Do you still get a time for yourself? Thought, are you still running in the mornings? Lily, I try to, but not as often as I had like. It's hard to find the energy sometimes. What about you? Still doing yoga? Sarah, yes, I have been consistent with it, and it really helps me to relax after a long day. You should join me for a session sometime. Lily, that's a great idea. I could use some stress relief. Transition to our weekend plans. Sarah, so do you have any plans for the weekend? Lily, not yet. I was thinking of catching a movie or maybe going for a hike. What about you? Sarah, I'm planning to visit the new art exhibit downtown. I have heard great things about it. You should come along. Lily, that sounds interesting. What's the exhibit about? Sarah, it's a collection of modern art pieces focusing on environmental themes. I think I like it. Lily, I'm in. Let's plan for Saturday afternoon. Discussing recent events. Sarah, great. By the way, did you hear about the big storm last week? Lily, yes, it was crazy. My power was out for a whole day. How about you? Sarah, luckily we didn't lose power, but the wind was so strong it knocked over one of our trees. Lily, oh no, did it damage anything? Sarah, thankfully no. We had someone come and clear it the next day. Casual chat about food. Lily, that's good. So, have you tried any new restaurants lately? Sarah, yes, I went to this amazing Italian place last weekend. The pasta was so fresh and their tiramisu was incredible. Lily, that sounds delicious. What is it called? I'll have to check it out. Sarah, it's called Bella Vita. Let me know you when you go. I'll join you. Lily, D. Maybe after the art exhibit, we can grab dinner there. Sarah, that's a perfect plan. I'm looking forward to it. Lily, same here. It's always great catching up with you, Sarah. Sarah, likewise, Lily. Have a great week, and I'll see you on Saturday. Lily, you too. Take care. Thank you for watching my video.